I might have jinxed this and I'm gonna die now. I hope I don't die. I'd very much like to stay alive. Okay, cool. Not dead. Staying alive and staying in school to school. An apple and a knife. Sorry, a knife. Nice. A book. A banana. A reading monkey, of course. How could I not see it? The reading... Margaret. Margaret, okay. Yeah, of course. The reading monkey is the person who's been killing them. How could I not see it? Do you remember playing with her? The reading monkey? I don't remember playing with the reading monkey, but you know, probably beat my ass. It's a reading monkey, dude. No one can beat a reading monkey. Do you remember her favorite drink? Right, so it's 5 on both ends. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to get 5, I believe. Let me try something. Yeah, I need to get a 5. So, how does that work exactly? The first one, maybe? So this, and this. That's 3, so I need 2. Like that. I need to use all numbers to get a 5. So, that's 5. Oh, I need to use the 5 drinks? What's the 5th drink? No, that wouldn't work as well. I'm gonna circle back to this one. Do you remember her favorite drink? Oh, maybe. Alright, so I understand what this one is. Reading monkey. I got you beat on that one. There's 1 banana here. And 2 apples. 1 pizza. 2 bananas. 3 apples. 2 pizza. 5 apples, right? Let's focus on the apples for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 apples, 1, 2, 3 bananas, 2 pizzas, and 4 milk. Okay, so let's start with milk. 4 milk, 2 pizzas, 5 of that, and 3 bananas. No, I missed something. Maybe a milk? Oh yeah, the milk. The milk is 9. And there's 1 more apple here, so that's actually 6 apples. So 9 milk, 2 pizzas, 6 apples, and 3 bananas. Alright. This note's probably gonna help me solve that. Well, I hope. The black king is 2 squares in a straight line from the white king. The black bishop is 2 squares in a straight line from the white queen. The black king is 3 squares in a straight line from the black queen. The bishop is adjacent to the white bishops. The black queen is not adjacent to the white king. Alright, are they all... Are they all movable? Okay, I can't move the white pieces. This makes it easier, actually. I'm not that good in chess. I believe my ranking is barely above 1,000. Yeah, barely like 999 or 1,015, fluctuating between there. Let's try this one. So the black king is 2 squares in a straight line from the white king. So the black king can only be 2 squares in a straight line from the white king. So here or here, probably here. Let's keep seeing what else we have. The bishop is 2 squares in a straight line from the white queen. The black king is 3 squares in a straight line from the black queen. Okay, so I need to put the black king in 3 squares in a straight line with the black queen. The black queen is not adjacent to the white king. The black queen, squares in a straight line. Quite possibly. He said the bishop is 2 squares away. Let's keep looking at it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a picture of this one. Rather not bring up the journal every second, and it is a difficult puzzle for me to memorize. Especially I'm running on fumes over here. Let's continue. So, the black king is 2 squares in a straight line. The bishop is 2 squares in a straight line from the white queen. The bishop is 2 squares in a straight line from the white queen. So this is the white queen. The bishop is supposed to be 2 squares away. And the black bishop is adjacent to the white bishop. Okay, so this is the correct one on the bishop side. The black bishop is... The black queen is not adjacent to the white king. So, you know... Like it can't be there. It can be here. It can be here. But I believe it's just here. Because the black king is 2 squares in a straight line from the white king. Could be right over here. This being here. Or here. The black king is 3 squares in a straight line from the black queen. So she definitely needs to be here. Well, 3 squares away. Maybe over here? No. Anything else on the black queen? The black queen is not adjacent to the white king. Yeah, this one's not that. Okay, so it was the 3rd square. Okay. Yes, Margaret. 6257. I know what that is. I'm missing something. Okay. So I need to solve the drink one. I did say 6257, so how do I... How do I make it a 6? Like here, using this. That's a 6. No, it doesn't make a lot of sense. This one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need... Are they the same? They are the same. So should be number from here and number from here, the 5th one. But I don't really understand it. That's the thing. That's the thing. I don't really understand this one. Oh, okay, I can't get that one. Oh, and I need that one. Tabasco sauce. Nothing intriguing or interesting here. Then what the hell am I doing right now? I get it. I get that this one, the only one. Do you remember her favorite drink? Let's go look at this one and stare into the abyss. The first number is blocked, and then there's 6, and the numbers in the middle that are blocked. Margaret. 6, 0, 2, 5, 7. I don't think that's how I'm supposed to solve that one. I'm playing with her. I think what I need is already calculated here. I think what I need is already here, like present, and is just waiting for me to solve it. So 1 is absinthe. 2 is pumpkin. I believe that's pumpkin sauce. Pumpkin something. Third one is I don't know, honestly. And the fourth one, Jack Daniels. So the fifth one would have to be the latte. But oh, I see the pattern that are moving now. 1. So use absinthe and 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, do I just choose one? Do I mix and match? I don't get this one. You don't get this one. Do you remember her favorite drink? Anything in the journal? Chess puzzle? No. Diary? No. There must be something I missed. Right? There's gotta be something I missed. The Margaret is for this one. The puzzle next to it. The numbers, I don't think they mean something at the moment. Maybe they do here, but right now there ain't much to go around. Much to go around with the same thing. Like, it moves here. Oh. This one's a little bit different, isn't it? The first one, the absinthe moves here. Yeah, the latte doesn't move back. 1, 2, 4. It's like absinthe, latte, latte, latte. It's 5 numbers. Which one would be the right one? I have to, like, the 5 numbers is what's makes it, like, I don't know what to do. What's the 5th one? What does he mean? Oh, is it the third pattern? Pattern, maybe. Like, okay, for this one, it would be a latte, an absinthe, pumpkin spice, this one, and it's like, okay. It was the pattern. The patrons, Mason. What do they mean? I know it's the numbers. I just want to say the pattern. Okay, now this one's gonna be a little bit harder. So this one got mirrored, right? No, absinthe moved there. And so... And this one moved... No, it did just get mirrored. Yeah. And since this one... Let me read the text that I opened first. I'm interested. Maybe there's a hint there about that one. The day starts with 1. The month is larger than the day. The last 2 digits of the year plus month divided by day equal 7. So no, it has nothing to do with that. I was hoping maybe to help out. Because I honestly don't see this pattern. Let me look at it one more time. Okay, so there's a switch happening. The first and last one are switching in the upper and the above ones. The upper ones. Absinthe and latte switched, but Jack Daniels and the Vino, which I'm just gonna call the Vino, the one in the middle. So, and then this one, the middle one and the last one switched. And so, hold on. The first and last. these two switched. This has to be the last one. Like, latte, absinthe, and now I believe it's gonna be this vino Jack Daniels. Okay. All right. So I didn't talk you through it. I should explain it a little bit better. And then I proceeded to do a horrible job explaining it. So I'm gonna explain it here, because I will not let you down. Now, where's the pen? This is the pen. So use it anyway. So these first two are flipped. If we say this is A, B, C, D, E, A and E will be flipped, as you can see. And then A, B, C, these get flipped. A, B, C, D, E, E and C are flipped. So logically, means that this moves one tile to the right. And since there is nothing to the right to move to, it moves back a little bit to the left. Which means that the last thing to be flipped are these two. So we go latte, absinthe, pumpkin spice, and then vino into Jack Daniels. Yeah. Now back to the video. Okay, I forgot to grab that one. This one should be easy. Okay. Margaret. What am I supposed to create with this? Hold on. Okay. Okay, now I understand that one. This is actually my least favorite type of puzzles. I'm really bad with these ones. Like, you have no idea how bad I am with these ones. Okay. Dude, stop. Dude.
Margaret, where are you?
No, leaving my dead wife for a second here. It scared the shit out of me again. This voice really scared the shit out of me. I don't know why. Just keep jump scaring me. Incident date. I thought it was incidente. Yeah, one more thing here. Locked box. Do you remember her favorite book? I mean, I just picked it up, right? Convenient. Blood on photo is convenient. And blue is between 6 and 10. Like here. The red is between 4 and 12. So I'm guessing here. The yellow is between 12 and 4. So here, and green will be here. Yeah, this one was simple enough. Yeah, okay. Got one number. I think I still need one more, right? Or do I? Let's check. The incident date. Okay, so I believe I picked up something from the journal here. Incident date. The date starts with 1. Okay. The month is larger than the day. So, the last 2 digits of the year plus month divided by the day equals 7. The last 2 digits of the year plus the month divided by the day. So it starts with 1. Last 2 digits of the year divided by the month plus the month by the year. The month, he did say the month is larger than the day. Right, that should be our hint. For the month to be larger than the day, we're gonna have to go with The 10th. Let me read it again. The day starts with 1. Okay. There's no way that's like the 75th, right? This makes sense. The month is larger than the day, so it should be bigger than the 10th, the August. There's April, there's December. Okay. And the last 2 digits of the year plus the month 12 plus. You need to see them and then divide. Whatever, just like test them out. Yeah, could have just done that instead of doing the math. Nothing to stop me from doing it. I work smarter, not harder. I full-heartedly believe in this words. I believe it's from here now. Like this is their direction. Sheesh. Things are getting dicey. I love space. I always loved looking at stuff like this. Looks amazing. But that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll make sure to make a follow-up as fast as I can. See ya.